ng impeachment proceedings kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Bukas, May 11, ipepresenta ng House Committee on Justice ang kanilang report sa Articles of Impeachment. Sabi ni Committee Chairwoman Jervil Luistro, handa silang depensahan kung paano nila nakitaan ang probable cause o sapat na basihan ng impeachment.
We will anticipate that there will be debate. Pwede rin natin i-anticipate the proceeding that we had in the Justice Committee might be questioned by some of the members of the House. But we will be responding to all the questions of the House members.
Katunayan, wala raw nararamdamang pressure si Congresswoman Luistro patungkol sa butuhan. Tatalima lang naman daw kasi sila sa sinasabi ng saligang batas.
Wala po akong naramdamang pressure, neither from the leadership nor from the INC. This is not a matter of choice. This is a matter of duty. After you have considered the evidence, after you have considered the party position, I think at the end of the day, ang dapat isipin, or sana ang isipin, will be for the best interest of the Philippine nation.
Paano naman kung may humarang sa findings ng komite? Ayon kay Luistro, wala silang kinababahala dyan.
They will be making manifestations. They will be raising questions, perhaps on constitutionality. I think that's part of due process, so that there will be thorough deliberation before the voting.
Sabi naman ni House Justice Committee member Joel Chua sa programang Politika All the Way ng One News, mahihirapan ng kumontra ang mga kaalyado ni VP Sara sa impeachment dahil nakakalunod na raw ang mga ebidensya laban sa bise.
Sabi nga nila, di ba, ang hustisya dapat nakapiring.
Nakapiring,
Oo. Paano mo sasabihin na no? Kung wala namang ebidensyang pinresenta yung kabila, wala namang ebidensya para ibangga dito sa mga aligasyon laban sa kanila. So we're giving them their days in court.
Exactly.
Pero never naman silang umapil. Di ba? Sinabi pa nga niya, bloodbath.
Oh.
So yung bloodbath nawala, naging bubble bath.
Samantala, para sa partido